This project aimed to develop a carrier plane that can drop an FPV drone at a designated place. The carrier plane will transport the UAV close to the target and release it within the range. The plane has longer endurance, and in this mode the battery of the FPV drone is conserved. I choose the Sky Hunter for the plane mainly because it is a big plane with an 1800 mm wingspan and was designed for long distance and heavy load FPV flying. In this video I only present the release system. Here is only one tip. The FPV drone must be connected to the plane as close as possible to the plane's center of gravity. First, a lot of schematics from all angles. Second, the development of the model in Autodesk Fusion 360. If you want to implement your release system, you have a link in the description of this video. Now, the second part that is connected to the FPV drone. In the end, after the 3D print of the release system, some tests.